What about you, and welcome to Premier Lawn's video. Today I'm going to show you how to improve the perfect lawn. Stick around. What does a lawn need to be perfect? It needs some simple steps to get there. In this video I'm going to be breaking it down. Let's go. First step is hollow core aeration. This process pulls these plugs out of the ground. To look at one of the plugs or cores more closely, you'll see three distinct layers. At the very top of the core we have a little tuft of grass, and then just below that we have the thatch layer. Whenever you squeeze it together, it is very spongy, and at the bottom there we have the soil. As you can see, the roots are going the whole way to the bottom of the core. This usually is a very good sign of a healthy lawn. If you have compacted soil, the roots aren't going to penetrate deep down into the soil like we have on this lawn, and that's going to lead to unhealthy soils. Before we get too far into this video, guys, if you could smash that like button, subscribe for more videos like this. I post regular lawn care tips and tricks on bringing your lawn to the next level. Let's get on with it. Excessive thatch is easily removed by scarification. Thatch is a natural layer of organic matter, a tangle of dead leaves and debris. A nice thin layer is healthy, but if it gets too thick, it actually stops water, air and nutrients being absorbed by the soil. It starves and it suffocates the grass. Thatch is easily removed with this tool here. It's called the scarifier. The scarifier removes scary amounts of rubbish from the lawn, leaving it looking temporarily quite sorry for itself. It basically scratches all the moss and dead leaves out of it. We've now done a double pass out of the lawn, and you can see just how much has come out. We've taken out loads. Now let's have a look at it. You can just see all that matted grass, organic layer full of weed grasses, and that just stops your lawn from breathing. So that's why we're doing the scar fan. We're going to let all this dry. We're going to go away and have a cup of tea, and hopefully whenever we come back after our lunch, this will all be ready to clear up and it'll be a lot easier to deal with. So we'll see you shortly. Scarification helps with the next thing, and that is it creates lines in the soil that allow us to seed into, and that is the next step. Overseeding is the practice of adding fresh grass seed to the lawn to thicken it up. The seed falls down into the lines created by the scarification, giving it somewhere safe to grow. It will give your lawn a more even colour. Overseeding your lawn also helps with increased resistance to lawn diseases, improved weed resistance, and a much more drought tolerant lawn. The next step in overseeding is to ensure great seed to soil contact. This is important for seed germination. We use this tool. It is called a drag mat, and it does literally just that. It drags the seed into the ground. Check out the links in the video description for the DIY drag mat I made for under £40. After renovating a lawn, it is important to feed it to help it recover and get off to the best start. Avoid weed and feed products. The herbicide in these products will inhibit seed germination. Newly seeded lawns need consistent moisture. Keep the seed and soil moist with frequent light waterings twice a day for the first couple of weeks if no rain has fallen. Water the lawn more heavily every other day for the next week or so, then water as needed to prevent wilting. If you water your lawn correctly after seeding, it encourages deep, healthy roots on your lawn. The product we're currently putting on is called seaweed, and it's used to increase seed germination. If you want to learn how to get the most out of your lawn this year, watch the video on the left. If you want to learn more about seeding your lawn, watch the video on the right.